What is happiness? Happiness lies in love. When I love, I feel really happy. The more we love, the more we are happy, as we feel energetic. When we love, we live in harmony. The less we hate, the more we love. The moment I hate or I am angry, I am not happy. Even if a person does not like me or hates me, it is his problem. I can still love him. I can find tiny little things to love him, which will make me happy. I can think small things he did for me in the past. I can remember good memories when we spend good time together. That way, when I start loving him, I start feeling happy inside me. I have checked this. If I feel love for someone, the love itself starts nourishing me. If that person doesn't love me, that is not my business, it is his business. I can just, I can still love him and just be happy. Not for anything, not because of anything, not because I get something, just like that. I can be happy just like that. When I am angry or hurt or I feel rejected, I should ask three questions to myself. I will take a deep breath. I will look at my chest because there my heart lies. And I ask these three questions to myself. Am I ready to let it go? I am really willing to let it go? When? If the hurt is tiny, it will I I it will it will easily go. But if it is accumulated and resistance is much, it can take a little long. I can start working with my body. It starts coming alive. Then we feel happy. Even when I can't let it go, I should again ask, am I ready to let it go? Am I willing to let it go? When I practice this, practicing to let it go, it will happen automatically and easily. Stress is nothing but the need to be in control. Stress is wanting something. When I am willing to give up, I let everything to my willpower. It will definitely take care of it. My willpower is strong. My willpower will definitely take care of it. We have a strong willpower because we are a powerful being. I am a powerful being. My willpower is strong. So, if I am willing to let it go, my hurt will go. If I am willing to let it go, my pain will go. If I am willing to let it go, my anger will go.